Hi, Cameron here. Welcome back to the Busy Gardener channel. We're doing something a little different today. Today we're going to take a quick tour of a place I haven't been to in 15 years. They have a brand new visitor center open, and that is Tillamook Cheese Factory. Let's get busy. Really exciting thing. I love cheese, I love dairy stuff. Can't eat a ton of it because of crazy cholesterol, which is why I've taken up gardening, both for the activity and for the diet. But I'm excited. On a trip up here to Portland, Oregon, got an opportunity to come back here. It's been a while. They just opened in 2018 this new visitor center. I'm catching it right at the tail end of the year. But they say up there's a self-guided tour with samples up there. Let's go take a look. Cheese tasting, one advantage of coming here on a very rainy weekend night is that there are no lines. Let's go see what they've got on offer. Love the sharp cheddars, but something that you can't get anywhere else are these cheese curds. They only sell them here at the factory. So it's kind of a real special treat to be able to eat them. This is what they put in their tomato soup. Every one of these cheeses was pretty good. I especially like the extra sharp cheddar that naturally aged for over 15 months. Super sharp, super flavorful. Well, let me try this cheese curd. Man, even that curd, it's interesting that that ends up getting compressed down in cheese, the solid block of cheese. When I taste it right now, the consistency is almost a little bit rubbery, but it's nice because every time I'm chewing it, the flavor, it really, it develops nicely. It doesn't degrade into some weird thing. Even those cheese curds are good. Tillamook makes a really good cheese. That's what they're known for. And they are also known for ice cream. Tillamook has some of the best ice cream around. I've had it when I've been up here in Oregon. Now they're also selling it down in California at Safeway, or Vaughn's, I guess we call it where we're at. And I'm so excited about
Monster Cookie.
Monster Cookie. They've got the craziest flavors. So we saw a little video about the way that they do stuff, that there's more milk fat in it, and maybe that's what makes it extra creamy and tasty. But I've got to give this ice cream a shot. One of my favorite things, and I'm gonna get it scooped fresh from the dairy. What flavor?
Spiced apple cider.
Ooh, that's a new one. I've never had it. Is that what you got too, Logan?
No, I got Oregon hazelnut.
Man, there are a million yummy flavors to choose over there. I settled on the caramel toffee crunch. This is so good. Creamy. Full of ingredients. Yummy. That's good. Beer and bacon mac and cheese. Let me get some bacon on there. I already got the beer in there.
Nice chunks of bacon on there.
It's hard to get that on there. There we go.
Moment of truth.
That's some real cheese. That's not that Kraft stuff,
No,
man.
how would you scale that though?
It's not even like a normal mac and cheese.
Because it's better than mac and cheese.
It's better than mac and cheese. love seeing hands-on stuff. Things like being able to look down on a factory floor and see how things are made, the types of machinery. That's why I love watching those how it's made videos. We're gonna look right down on the factory floor here. This is incredible. I'm gonna go look for some stuff. I hope this has been a fun departure from what I normally do on this channel. Gives you a look at what the Tillamook Cheese Factory is all about. And I've got to go pick out some cheeses here, take home and make some funky quesadillas and yummy cheese platters and all these things. I'm now an enthusiast. If you like what this channel has, feel free to subscribe. If that's not your thing, that's okay too. Until next time, stay busy. Hey Caleb, do you know what's in that room over there? Ice cream. Should I look through the window? Look at all that ice cream back there. Do you want to see it? I'll show you that. Let's go take a look. Cheese as far as the eye can see.